pack your bags. Let's find a brand new view, where the trees are tall and the skies are blue. Down in Kingwood, Texas, where the forest stays green, the sweetest neighborhood you have ever seen. Turn off Kingwood Drive, take a ride on the trail. Lake Village Drive has got a home that won't fail. At 2200, the modern living is real. Let's talk about space and an incredible deal. I pay $1,600 for a tiny little box, when $1,200 opens up better locks. I get 1,000 square feet to stretch out your feet. At Trailwood Village, life is breezy and sweet. Grab your keys, pick a plan, make a confident choice. Hear the happy sound of home in your voice. Call 281-764-1053. Trailwood Village is the place to be. Got those stainless steel appliances looking so bright, with two-tone paint and private patios in the night. Full wood floors where your pets can run free, up to 50 pounds for the dog or kitty. Walk out your door to the 75 miles of trails, or splash in the 2 resort pools when summer prevails. With Foster Elementary just a short stroll away, and Kingwood Middle and Hyde are bright in the day. Why pay $1,600 for a tiny little box, when $1,200 opens up better locks? I get 1,000 square feet to stretch out your feet. At Trailwood Village, life is breezy and sweet. Grab your keys, pick a plan, make a confident choice. Hear the happy sound of home in your voice. Call 281-764-1053. Trailwood Village is the place to be. Whether you need 1 bedroom, we got options so grand. The Avalon, the Berkeley, or the Windsor is planned. Take a look at the Essex, or move up to 2, with the Bristol, Brighton, and Stratford for you. The Lexington and Hampton give you room to grow, or the 3-bedroom Abilene and Bradford Shore. And if you're traveling out to a different shore, our sister communities have so much more. Down in Laredo, Texas, where the warm sun glows, La Joya and Merida Vista always puts on a show. Or out in Biloxi, Mississippi, right by the sea, Palm Island, Edgewater Point are as beautiful as can be. Near Memorial Hermann Hospital, if you're working the shift, a Lone Star College, Kingwood, to give your future a lift. Take a 4-minute drive to the Marketplace Square. For all of your shopping, everything is right there. We don't just lease apartments to fill up the space. We help you make a smart financial choice in this place. So check out the virtual tours online tonight, and step into a future that is shiny and bright. Why pay $1,600 for a to stretch out your feet at Trailwood Village. Life is breezy and sweet. Ride the keys, scenic, Canyon Road, Raton and Choice. Hear the happy sound of home in your voice. Call 281-764-1053. Trailwood Village is the place to be. Yeah, Corinthian Asset Management welcomes you home to the livable forest where you're never alone. From Houston to Laredo and Biloxi's bright shore, we've got the perfect keys waiting at your door.